This nylon wire is, you know, it's actually designed to contain and retain water and moisture. Really? Yeah. And just like anything else, it's made out of plastic, right? So over time, especially with exposure to the sun and heat, it's going to dry out super fast and it's become brittle. And, you know, when it becomes brittle like that, that causes your operator to, it's going to break super fast, super easy. So your operator's constantly going to have to be bumping it, right? And letting out more line because it's breaking super fast. Yeah. And that causes, you know, delays, right? So he's going to run out a lot faster. He's going to have to go back to the truck. Hopefully we have extra string in our pockets so we don't have to do all that. But, you know, he's going to have to stop. He's going to have to reload it. So the fact that it's designed that way, you can go ahead and soak it and it's going to just make it last a lot longer. So again, efficiency, right? When we're out in the field, we want to mitigate the amount of time that we have to stop and, you know, do things that are non-productive. So by soaking that wire, you know, you can get a lot more life out of it and get more work done.
Perfect.